Alright, we're at 13515 Southwest Freeway at Sugar Creek 1. And you know what we got in there, right? 1972 Otis Lexan elevator in Sugar Land, Texas. Gotta love that relay logic controller. Listen. When the Otis wants to close, the Otis will close. It's your Otis nameplate. You going up?
Yes, sir.
You can come, son. I'm sorry. I'm just taking a video of the elevator. It's an old Otis. Have a good day. You're welcome. Let's go to 1. That was a plop leveling. The cab has obviously been updated, I think. Look how small this is. Both of the floor buttons are burned out. Otis. Alright, now listen to this motor. Here we go. Didn't classic level that time like it did last time. It's got the old bumper. Already tested out. Look at that beautiful clear blue sky out there. This thing is just awesome. There's your ADA compliant phone. Otis logo. We'll take this thing for one more ride. Focus camera. Here are the relays. Alright, I'm gonna use my phone and snap a photo of these buttons. Alright, please bear with me. Excuse the awkward camera movement. Got it, I just took a photo. Alright, we're gonna go back down one in the video there. Let me put my phone away. Here we go. I wonder what that middle button is for. It's kind of weird. Classic level at the bottom. Love the relays. Rude closing, Otis. Come on, you know better. Epic. There it goes. And that's it.